Okay, what's your name?
Winston Holyoke.
All right, here we go. He's gonna climb this mountain. Yeah, we did it. Say, hooray, I did it.
Hooray, I did it.
Good job. Where do you want to go now?
Look, this is you.
Hey, Bronson. Hey, Bronson. No. Come on down, buddy. Come on down.
Mama.
Where are you? Come down. There it is. Come here, I can't see you. Oh, I hear you now. There he is. Should we go say hi to Valor? Go give him a hug.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and remove your caps as we honor America with our national anthem.